As only the warrior class were privileged to use the sword, the less fortunate had to devise other means of defending themselves from the violence of the sword. The master demonstrates the use of the tatami tempeh. It is made of deer skin, and it is elastic enough to absorb even the sharpness of the Japanese sword. Tonfa, made from the hardwood of the oak tree, allows one to shield himself from the cutting power of the sword, while at the same time it has the unseen power of killing one's opponent with a single blow. The Japanese sword is a fearsome weapon which can kill in a moment. Thus it was that those without the sword required devices and means with which to cope with the deadly blade. This weapon is called nichogama, consisting of two sickles, a farming implement which may be found anywhere.